Now why not benefit one people who check Kennedy or in Japan? Or then a year.
Some poor Ghana. Minimum of Pia. Obi am feed you. To say cook and set me. Ya pay me to.
Kennedy or in Japan. Time. Will be on one people. Minim the anam na dwunum. Odi sem hunu e one people mu.
Tumpan.
Wonya kakai.
Oni mu ya beto. MVP for mo ready. Me see July 2027. Minimum action. E wo Ghana ha.
Yebedi afisem. Yan kwa bontin bebre. Ensem hunu yensem hunu. Afama me yamadwe sen kame madwuma o. And me yamadwe sen kame madwuma. Na what take over why you adwuma no. Ba Kennedy ohina Japan odi nkwase asem wan pipi mu. Akobate me ye pa. Eya broni baye. And na ye Kennedy ohina Japan. Say omusuro na mimi nsuro no.
Canada hodo. Jenia kasa.
Akwaba omusuro no ame minsuro no.
Udi kwasi asem so e meka chiro. Udi kwasi asem so e meka chiro.
Say anya wo dia ensai.
Ye nsuro nipa budi ebu nipa. Ye nsuro nipa budi ebu nipa.
Contract ben na wo no yirubonya. Bisa Kennedy ohina Japan. Say MPP time contract ben wo yire Stella. Wonya contract. Ada mun kwana mu page MPP man ba power. Akwaba o me break. So I na dwene so odware atetemu a ye be dware no.
Etumpan. Udi nkwasi asem so e meka chiro. Ye nsuro nipa.
Ode ne ho bore atecha ye be dware no.
Ye nsuro nipa budi ebu nipa.
Akwaba wen me mpesa no ma no. Me sase mo enke hia me.
Canada hodo.
Amamuo no a ekoso a amamuo tantan no man koso no. Obe focus on sabe. Amamuo ekoso a enkoyie no. O party asem na woka no kra wonte ase unim de woka.
Jenia kasa.
Akoba anyways, Kennedy ohina Japan. No ye chairman.
Etumpan.
Defense and Interior Committee e wo man imra shebdwafie. So Afari Military Hospital as committee chairman. And then now you boom.
Canada hodo.
Jagona Woody no.
The elephant.
Waba kokra na ko retirement.
Ewurade Nyankopon.
Unchan MPP. Abrona wo team na doso dodo. Huyen wo team. Pasamin kuminya wo Kennedy wo hina Japan wo team. And I know Kennedy or in Japan or Nyobia. I'm telling you, with or without Kennedy or in Japan, MPP Bejina. And Papa J. Kraman Temino, the sole founder of NDC, Papa J. Amutemino, no a backing dog. Omu Kananu Tumu, Antony Chain, Kraman Kawanutum. Now why not benefit to one people who check Kennedy or in Japan? Or then a year.
Etumpan.
Ya kwa trouble wa lusu.
Pine.
Yampa. Until lusu you know. I am the voice of the people.
Canada hodo.
And nobody kokromotini chira say yampa.
Canada.
And to you be crack one utum na transidi.
Canada hodo.
Akwaba mu question one question oti Dr. Oti Bonsunom. The best for one man meeting. And yes, you are kokodu for onya kokodu for.
Jenia kasa.
Hey, be onim no onya kokodu for.
Jenia kasa.
Or you coward.
Jenia.
Or you be or you for.
Jenia kasa.
Canada or in Japan was you a kokodu for omra bonting one amra. No make us with the base. That one ya baby or 7771073 on 0577771073 on 0594157777. Me did the Bonohene Bafoa. Good evening and welcome on board. Me Pacho Fashemi. Right, mami mo atuna me mo akwa bamra Asaase pa 107.3. Emra so say ye de ka de pay jumadi bro. Enene ye be di fie asem. Ye be di fie nkomo. Anya Kennedy or hina Agyapong a. Enka issues are the bread and butter. Ebe bre the ordinary Ghanaian. Ehon nkomo ni nkibedi. Enka abamboni otie akonwa so a no ma wo ye enkoye ehon nkomo na nkibedi.
Ne ka na da hodo.
Because abana fail Ghanaians.
They scammed everybody, including Nananya Kupon and Kasakra.
Akwaba no anu abono. Nyankopon wo soro kra ndisi aban abono kro no. Anti sa issues no ana nkesi erezi na yedi nkomo na Ghana for te ase ehu abambone a yedi tumi ahye ne nsam. Aban want me think outside the box. Aban want me for the papa mre Ghana for. Aban what the propaganda about power still what issue propaganda. Nanka wo the propaganda crab about power we are after the no krama Ghana for. One year we abon say bono krono.
Udi nkwasi asem so e be ka kire.
Sector by sector, bibi anko. Bibi nko, bibi ma. Akwaba, sa nkomo no nanka bi bedi nne. Akwara na me kofi no akoda. Ba nkateboni ambafra MPP mu.
107.3
Asase pono.
Kennedy wa hina Agyapong, time wo bia nsoro no MPP num. Minim dia ne nam na dwunum.
ye nsuro nipa buni ebu nipa.
Odi sem hunu e wa MPP mu.
Ye nsuro nipa buni ebu nipa.
And a mreso a say MPP paying for stamping authority.
Etumpan.
Onya kakai. Onya hute wo party num. Anjano andode anjani e katase na odi ahunu nipa wa MPP mu.
Ne ka na da hodo.
Who born dog? Agoba, who born dog?
Way boy.
And then no wape.
Way boy.
Akokrabugi bisano akokrabugi. Then no pe one people mu biu. Support no wa bre na wuntimi a organization o obi amason sabe join it. Ka kire Kennedy hina Agyapong.
Ye nsuro nipa.
One two fear wada ne ekoso ne nsase bra na be join MPP. Wonu a ne ba so be join MPP. And to join MPP wie na wa bre wo party no mu a you can go.
Say anya hote ban e binin pansa.
Kodin
Say anya hote ban e binin pansa.
because asema wo ka wo se no kra no nim de wo ka.
Ne ka na da hodo.
A whole committee chairman.
The elephant.
Na wo asema wo ka no kra wo nti ase unim de wo ka na wa ka to agum na kra de ba ko interview ba ko ye say 2027 de be de ba kra no.
I think on this point he has misbehaved.
Amo mu disk amo mu jeje contract o yire obi tie kra se no obo MPP akra me start show no we dey me ka tren so wontie me
Hwenia kasa.
o yire Stella no je contract close to 100 million Ghana cedis street lights MPP time no mu bre wo MPP mu no mu nya sa contract ni bi ana unko na bre wo MPP mu unko na bre wo MPP mu ensam hunu no akwaba ya doso
Udi nkwasi asem so e be ka kire.
Kennedy Agyapong is a fake man in MPP.
Ye nsuro nipa buni ebu nipa.
He is a disappointed politician,
Ne ka na da hodo.
greedy,
Ne ka na da
bitter.
Hwenia kasa.
Yente Kennedy Agyapong yemra.
Media. Kamo pese Ghana yeyi. Kamo maye nka no kure. Unya eya de nenye. Na wo si wonu enti menka. Wo be den na wo kure ya waka se Ghana. Ye pese yeyi. Ekwan be ne faso be yeyi. Na me disappointed in bia me offer Babnasa. Se mimi kwa. Ono no e chairman. Ono no e chairman. Omumisanity who said the Bena or the Parliamentary Select Committee on Defense and Interior. Ekoi. Now, Uncle checking in minutes. She a friend Nsiah or Kase. Omo aye up to 85%. Then I echo Oma mi uncle. See, Minya, Asana Abba, NDC for mistake, MPP for mistake. A Ghana, and you did not to a passo, and you have yeah, the only pa, Omo Yaria, Minka, Obi says, you didn't call China.
Crabba, you Bon say, who no kaya no wa. Yabo any trying to cross up a pay when you need tie na fadwene. One fino. Interview and the choir no.
You know, I was the chairman for Defense and Interior. This hospital, NDC, it was started by President Kufuor. The locations and all those things, NDC came to start it whenever. When we came, I'm an MPP, but I have to tell you the truth. We're talking about Ghana and nobody. We didn't do anything. Read my lips. I'm telling you the gospel truth. I was the chairman for Defense and Interior. When we decided to go and inspect Asare, they stopped us. We didn't go. So I heard somebody talking 15 months. Has Asare hospital been there for 15 months? We were there for 8 years. You didn't do it. Don't blink your eye. See, we are not doing politics. I'm speaking the truth. This is Ghana. Stop that.
No crabba na woka. No crabba na woka. Moral right be na woka na do in Agyapong. What they come for military hospital wasem. Defense and Interior Committee. Our main subject now we are chairperson. Yabrao, Opini, Yabrao. Now we are chairperson, Defense and Interior Committee, or my master of ye. I am military hospital. And to time as committee channel, then also ye. What time as committee chair, MPP Nanatia Kunyaso, and then I would to me ye as committee chairman. About a hospital. Who the opposite be who's a one away, who as Zanoman Tricketty, and away. I'm telling you.
Say, I am out the band, been in Pensa.
Zane Trickets, no, Sabia Benjamin Forbre.
107.3.
Some ombrano na wote so wodo ho Canada Japan bibia keka kano e Benjamin Brekam
Yensuro nipa bunipa.
Party no so ncha MPP. Canada or Japan, one soon chain MPP. We will be cranking so soon answer.
Who didn't quite so a back catch.
Some could deny and no crummy lusuye, Yan Tomame, ya bo from Bre Champon cry or born home in Chao. And to you be a sober reflection. Transanagony. Again, MPP Yamao. Contract be na wunya ye wo Canada in Japan. Opa ma Canada in Japan mrabon te meka say MPP man contract bia. Wo yire wunya ya ma wo yire. Onu kwanya contract. Street lights.
Oh, no better, oh brutal.
Peter ma wo time. Any the contract na ma Canada in Japan ne yire.
Oh, no better.
Na de won kwan wo abo party no. Ye won krofo a enye bibia ni sika wo. Ye won krofo a sabe MPP o man sum omu nya kapre omu nya dama omu ma bonte mekasa. You are talking too much. Kasa ni ya doso. Ba so kra de o say 2027 and mekasa pa o ka kire wan. Party na e almost stamp authority. MPP National Executives as almost stamp authority. Jeff Kenom Masa Munsare. Munya husam no. Munya kwasi asam no na mon country Canada in Japan. Mo ba suspend na mo suspend mo pam na mo pam no. Adwe woni tim nya adwen papa. Abura adwen na woni tim.
Wodi kwasi asam so e be ka kire wo.
Ya to ba wi na mnim say wasesa.
Jenia kasa.
But on sesa ye
yensuro nipa
adwene wɔ ne tim no nya adwen pa
yensuro nipa buni
ɔyɛ aboro adwene wɔ ne tim ɔyɛ selfish politician. I'm telling you today. Kennedy Ohene Japan ɔyɛ selfish politician. Ɛkyɛ sɛ ama me nkyɛn a ɛne ɛnwu.
ne ho bɛda ho brutal
ɛnyɛ me a ma obi anya.
ne ho bɛda ho
ma me nsɛ no wɔntumi nya bibia wɔ party no mu. Ni vote yɛ baako mi vote yɛ baako wo vote yɛ baako ɔnkyɛn obi a wɔnto votes 100.
Woka wie no so wɔnte aseɛ de ayɛ wɔn headache.
Na sɛ hunu wɔ yɛ na yɛtete wɔ party no mu. Na wo chairman committee and interior and defense committee o my imraso jefi chairman for the hospital kra no unnim ho asem unnim ho abakosem wabon
omo de omo bon na ye kasa omo nte no
na nya NDC for na ba even NDC for na about to be can say 90% complete 98% complete and two year committee chairman then na wokenkan then na wokenkan who blame one people? Who will be and can we a good honest politician? What catcher was there? Men and me committee chairman. Men to me I'm a young ye Ghana from Fanchami. Then we can sympathize with you.
Ne Canada hodo.
Jenia kasa.
Ma benjina ba te make kan semunu.
Ye bomwa no krene dikan.
Who yes our birthday donation now quiet and if one and no meeting. And you're to bonsunum. And you're the best for an meeting. Who are the best? Who are Bema? Who are boss? Who are Cocodro? Brown to my saying, you know, best in a me pen PPBO.
Jenia kasa.
But the mayor, me MPP, me cannot cry to the Ghana for no crime and I will cannot cry. We are honest person. We are honest person. We are patriotic citizen.
107.3.
No me yes so some who so party nim sa na mama for be din some who
Woka wie no so wɔnte aseɛ de ayɛ wɔn headache.
Akoba some who no ya dos one MPP mu. Paula Foko ya suspend no. Kwabena Agyapong ya suspend no. A whole chairman, a whole secretary. Now who is Canadian Ohene Agyapong MPP? Party baba power. Enye ni power ko fo na de party baba o.
yensuro nipa
Canada Ohene Agyapong. Wonu nko antimi for party MPP e ma power.
yensuro nipa buni nipa
Alam kwajo chamantin so ba ni bi no woda na di no. But we hufo.
Jenia kasa.
And want to be out.
Etumpan.
Onyina nim.
Ye bomwa no krene dikan.
Me na so party nim. Me ni ba bia, me nko ba bia, no di nsem hunu wo party ni ja no di nsem hunu.
Wait, boy.
Sa nsem hunu no wontwa so.
I think on this
Akoba. Ta Canada Ohene Agyapong. Sa ni nsem hunu no wontwa so. Enya sa contract e de man ne no ma wo ye 1 people no. Some of us yes ye wo nkrata wo ho. Ye be kenkan ni nyina kire no.
But me nsuro
udi nkwasi asem so ye be ka kire o
Ya fisam nteto na bia wo kan no ato sabe. Ba ka kire no nya sa nsem hunu no. Party na me no a won ka sa MPP a me no. Na won ko ala na front ko wa ko
107.3.
Asase ponono.
Afrafanto wo tu ya petre bra afrafanto wo hen
Ewurade Nyankopon
wapem
Jenia kasa.
Canada wontimi nyama mpan wo Ghana. That's the gospel truth. Hard truth. Wontimi nyama mpan wo Ghana. Because when you're honest.
Woka wie no so wɔnte aseɛ de ayɛ wɔn headache.
Wontimi nyama mpan wo Ghana. I'm telling you Akraba, Canada can never be a president in Ghana. Ahoya ena ekunu because ba omia bi tu ntino won pe ba omia asem ntino wo bedi nsem hunu be semu but de nyame ahira no ohira no nyame na ahira no o anya nipa nyame ena ahira Dr. Alhaji Mahmood ba omia so leave it ya de no ko wantimi ya ba sa de na ko this one no akase wa bre
Forgets. The elephant never forgets.
Akwaba mami imposo. Course of imposo.
No krene.
Dr. Anthony Nsiah Asare atena say we ye co-chair MPP policy committee on health.
Jenia kasa.
Former presidential advisor on health. And then the payina and then he didn't come on na enwumre. You be here Ferry Hospital. You be doing come for agenda 111 ho.
Kana da hodo.
107.3. Etumpai. Jenia kasa. Yensrunipa budi bunipa. Yensrunipa budi bunipa.
Kana da hodo.
The elephant never forgets. The elephant never forgets.
Kana da.
Me enko ma me doctor Ajo ene enwume. Doctor Anthony Nsiah Asare atena say. Doc Majo.
Yeah, I don't know what to say.
Na media family bibia boko de.
Yeah, me ada Roman em empire Bobby Biaboko.
Life in opposition.
Life in opposition. It's interesting. Te eguso. Babe nyame wo ho.
Edin wo ho opposition edin wo ho.
Oh. Edin but e ma wo sua bibi so.
Opposition no.
Ma wo sua bibi. Ma wo trase. Na hwe ubo nkwa chi na hwe ene ma esisi ye. Die na ke betimi aye ne ye. Die na ye ya o se ke timi ye ne ye. Na o de ko anim. It is an opposition it. Na opposition now you're comfortable. No ahwe ya. Also who say opposition. Na onema hwe gu na hu.
Tennessee shisha no.
Ti bi fi say say your time o say adibia akoso bia no. Ye de tu echi. Na ye ka bom MPP. Your opposition na ye ka bom pa. Na mba ye matrase na metie nema pia. Enkofo e ka ne ye de ba no. Ti be ka say MPP for obi ama na kuma ntɔ ne yam na enemre ye ku ye ne mo no ne wura ba o me aso aka ese obi ansa wo o se nwuma mbɔ no me ye me de pa obi ansa wo bi enti obi ye ma obi ba ko nka se wono nko na ne sa wo mu kiri osa be gina aka bibi a kiri obi a me mo obi edi me nka bibi a ba de meka nyina ne se
akwa me mpem ho asɛ ma me ni me kom
obi uni bi a unyina otimi boa obi okura uni bi kura no one nkɔfo kasa ono tim kɔ frɛ nkɔfo firi afie mu sɛ ye yɛduru sɛ yɛkɔto aba me nyina nkɔto aba obi a oni bi kura o baabi ɔte no ebi a baabi a ɔte area hɔ no nipa bɛ wɔ ha na sɛ nipa bɛ aha mienu na nipa aduonum asɛm ɔbɛka bia no ɔka to mu akoma so on sɛ wokɔ akura bi ase a obi a ɔyɛ popular hɔ paa no ebi a sɛbi obi a ɔwe sɛ okurum hɔ no obi a woka sɛ me ko we fie me hwe efie bi e ben we fie a o ma kire
osisi ya
o so bituma kire obi afie o ka asem obi aba senkofo ehwe ne komba to mutimi fa o fa ba wo ti de me ka kire o se obi adi bi a o ye bia no eye e na me pa obi a chew I mean se kakra obedi a obenya di bia no nya kakra no wadi o ko sresre nkofo sika na edi betwa mpoa ne akeka na we mi ma ne se na we na me ye ni se we na me ye ni se nyame ne hwe nipa obi en ho ye perfect e wo wiase obaye obi abeye bi amaye ni nyina ti wo boa na watena se na wahwe wadwurim de o ye ekɔ ye de o ye amkɔ ye ti me de ye tiasia ye nkwa ne wo ye mu anyame hwe so ye de me wa hwe mu se ye beto aba December 7 2028 no na ye nyina ya ka bom ni akoto aba na kama election where lusu ye no enye NDC na win yo MPP ni lusu ma MPP NDC win e lusu yi ko ye nkofo akoto aba kasa sa ti be pa obi a chew kasa twitwie ni ade nyina mo ye fa nto nkyɛ na obi aka wie kwa so omi de mante ye nku ye ni but ye ku ye ni mu yi de ya tete policy committees no ade ba ko ade ama ye ne ye policies ni ama nyina no ye research ni bibia sa de be kasa to obi ka asɛm sɛ wɔyɛ NDC ni o ye CPP ni o woka ne akɔhwehwem sɛ asɛm a ɔka no kora na sɛ nyɛ no kora ye ba betene no ye de ne ma no asɛm ni nyina ba betudwa we yewura kofo ado yewura ba omi abo ne chidom no a ne nyina ye ka ho ye adwuma ni bi no daachi bi na nkɔfo ka sɛ ye be ye adwuma so me yesi adam nkɔfo kana ɛna afɛre wo montimi anwie meka ye beka ho asɛm ne ɛna sɛ wia wo montimi ama nkɔfo akɔyɛ mu adwuma afɛre ɛne sɛ wia ɛka hospital maako ne yɛ nkono ade no mo de ye wia ya pa ho ntoma ye mu adwuma no So far as I'm concerned, TSA no. Your friend Eurojet project. A year and April or so, 2008. Eti oka aferi and I want to be a ferry. Who here pa but me chere di tra aferi e ka kwemu achesa.
Okay.
Minti so bi e ka contractor no ho asem. Ba aferi contractor wo ho na sub contractors wo. And e be ka nyina ho asem ho ha.
Okay.
Ni a chere mu di tra hospital nkron no. Emu sia me kasa sisi ya no. Nkofo e wo mu a ye hwe nkofo yare a adwuma.
Right.
Emu ba akoso a commission a sewi a omo bebo so me be edunwotwe ni na omo tim fa obi ankom ko ye adwuma. Enam emu ba akon ya aferi so no bebi a yeduru no yeduru akiri me de ha me wo sa Eurojet project no mu enya aferi enye sewi a wa shantere beboa ba de aka akiri pa yenye ya antumi anko nani mo no e de salaga.
Okay. Yababa meba chofin wa joining here now. Dr. Anthony Nsiah Asare, co-chair MPP Policy Committee on Health, former presidential advisor on health. We be a wa being wompom ding and nsemu. One penya yene din komo quickly. I've asked Rebecca Ferry near dear Ferry in Comono. My men starting free Confanoche teaching hospital. You heard the conduct of the health minister, Minta Kando. And a muntu awotu ni yebi ni kasa bi meka se sa pepepe na ese health minister wotu na namo na yedi kan
yo obusa asem ne ba ye na some of us yeti no na ye menya kakra because ye adwuma wa pomudi na che in fact when say you act bi a ehwe Ghana Health Service ni teaching hospitals ye pass act no mo pass no 1996 if na 525 after 525 no and I be set up Ghana Health Service. Ghana Health Service. A friend of primary and secondary care. We say primary and secondary care any day.
Okay.
Primary and secondary care no. Every chip center. Be PIM district hospital. Any regional hospital. And no Ghana Health Service for her. And I am in charge the private hospitals and a charge for some boy.
Right, Dr. Beba says, yeah, maybe Chafin was joining and Asaase 107.3, Asaase 98.5, Kumasi, Asaase 103 Cape Coast, Mining City Radio 89.5 for Takwan Suayim, Afima Radio 103.3 Kofodia Strong, 101.5 Chimda Community 103.3 Chimda Bawa Radio UK. Doc, now it can be.
At 525 1996, you know, a chirapote the ministry, no, the minister. Into we be jina hono kase hospitals, public hospitals no president dia president ohwe ne mama ye nyina yeso Ghana fo nyina so only the president of the Republic of Ghana the president no ministers a omo ye adwuma ministries ebi ni Ministry of Health yi minister and deputy ministers and deputy minister and president no through why yi council Ghana Health Service and was our board teaching hospitals in
okay.
Enti board no the governing board the teaching hospitals me back confirm says confirm not teaching hospital board
okay.
I act no kuma sa amend no am say 2019 enti nanka board nanka ni pay wo so se ma ye adwuma confirm not da na ka chief executive any 5 directors nyina also and afa nipa 4 ka ho ti bo hwe na are tilted towards management, they say why in such a way say the could be owning dear or a lawyer to be our financial in the manual amendment. To watch a potty the board and watch a potty the minister. Minister no our policy directive at 525 at subsection 36.1. None of you say Irakando walk once but Uja or said on what a directives. Uja policy no. He has policy directive. This president the policy biaba. Now they are not sure that I come on board. You can come chief executive.
Board no mum na dey.
Board in the deal. Etimine no ka asem no buy no. No asem me fa me phone. My friend board chairman say, "Hey board same way president aye directive bi." But president directive no be president directive during the State of the Nation address. I think it was on the 27th of February if my memory serves me right. 2000 2026 na tema na Charles first Charles Emisa will buy no bear syndrome.
Yeah.
And was say make sure say hospital be intern away an emergency case. So what you say? Na as Omesa no so no, he is charging the ministry say for policies in Mukwem directives are in which I say be a we bar the be no TB will be ba na bed in who be a waiting na konya manema and no your friend no referral system which my policy ni ye say be ya ansa na ambulance be to kro say bed ni
hospital way
don't find courage obetimi kura e de na ko bi adodo wa hospital because ho na bed wo obenya na obenya obi amana hwe no sa na yen baby a but unko free chief executive say wo bu president mras president ka yes you know yes maybe policy or maybe or yes statement you know he qualified to say monfa emrengu kwem from February say March by April by May by
June
3 months untimi fa policy bi anko we policy heading enye din no so frɛ nkɔfo anu mu yɛ adwuma sɛ ntibi yɛ ka mu nyina bom na yɛn hyɛ policy bi sɛ be ya bit my referral system kama now de wafa sɛ obi abu president mara so nti wo wafrɛ na ba sɛ wasɛte minim sɛ a mini disciplinary committee or disciplinary committee. He has no disciplinary directions on the teaching hospitals and for that matter Ghana Health Service.
The health minister,
he doesn't have it.
Oni sa to me no.
Oni sa to me no. Sa to me no e board. Ko board on the word disciplinary committee. Yana board member ba ko tena so. Na nkofo keka ho obi ye boni a ye tena so. Adentina oso ohia no a chief executive ne say why boni no we are sure letter come now is writing back to the board chairman. Say omuni na tena enti we so ka letter enti omu ma no 2 weeks no nko tranche na omu hwehwe PRO no koya announcement no PRO was under instruction PRO we PRO e wo ha sisi
de mbe ka cheme na me kwa
management ka hwenche na ho ka se management ka ba yi wadi enti ade enti no amfa phone na say oh board chairman adiwe eye go be a president you know say but president I know they didn't say that the president kasa I don't think that is what the president said. She said Obakolebu and answer back on for noche and answer be accident said that na why a map nipa gugu form ho nyina ye ma onya bia for na nsi na ensuo toyi ye fa no to animu ho ne mpe ye kase ko fa matres and say ko fa katebra ne fa no to because medical profession no hospital adwuma ye no apomuden adwuma ye no yen ya so off uba me ho na ye patient a una me responsibility towards you se mehwe na me ma wonko ahiahiam bia na bia wonya ade bia be mo ohwere wonko ohwere wonko am certificate beko na wo also doctor no na say nurse na ohwere no so no wo so protect wo se be ya won tiare bia mfiri no na fe so wo be in such a way say wono so ema wo yare bi na obetima hwe ni yie na wo follow wo guidelines say dem ma wo ene eyi a waso no that is how they have this thing. What the Confanochi management the best global practices everywhere.
Say because why you maintain
you slow down because sometimes you Confanochi tamalinyani or ne why ma intibia operation ya kwa kra munyai more admit any patient the baby mkopa bra you bet me a clear accident center wo ko ba bia enema ye adwuma ye a wo intensive care no intensive care mapa jai all activities any some of the admissions but okura anya ne saa wo ansana be yes announcement no ti me ye hwesa announcement ye no yese bi ye announcement say otumi say hospital no e bi ye dia he nsa but de bi ama hospital ye announcement no emra ne Ghana Health Service any medical superintendent say wo Ashanti region nyina hia ye say now no kan kire nkofo say obi yare na ofiri mampon na eba emma bramampon hospital first wo Kumasi na wo bant Kumasi South area ho a Kumasi South hospital ho wo Lake Road no so a chirapatre a Kumasi South a regional hospital enso ho wo a tepa agenda Eurojet project ba fefe ba ko ho a yawie wo kononwa ebi wo ho so a yawie wo bekwaya bi wo ho ti obi amfiri bekwaya efaka huma wo ebi a lakeside ona bekwaya no so owura inside ho na de ko wo amanse area ho a instead of drive from Pano, no see Pano now bus street to Kumasi. No, sana go for ambulance and for call. This is how systems work. Enti enemeka akan bi mu say Ewura minister opepre no hododo wa enye saa de no. Ibi a obi no wo hwehwe no. I don't believe say chief executive no hwehwe no. We say wajitu mu say waye bone. Yes, so say president Kaya. Me a meka amana chechiri mu kakra chiri me nim so chechiri ni mu a na aka say ya o so yo mate. But we saa no a wan hwe ye pe ene ma saa ye ba konfonoche omo ye kanye otumfo na be mo say nko mutifie because konfonoche so eye hospital ba ko a eno na hwe obi a me na mo konfonoche na mfese ho ye health center ho ye polyclinic ho ye district hospital ko na bi ni ho any fitting district hospital ho ye regional hospital ko na regional hospital ni ho afi na ye se wi aba mu na sai teaching hospital hwe about 14 regions from eastern region mienu a menim say omo refer patient directly to Komfanochi a Volta region and a Greater Accra region. All the other regions, the northern part of it, refer down south. And up north, so Tamale is not a fully fit tertiary institution. To almost refer back Komfanochi. Tie pomocho yenye apomudene sa yemfa kidigidi na ya apomudene ye de kasade na wahwe act no tiende me ka che ne se onko kan act ni biem de okotu na no wo parliament no okotu obuchia no wo yi policy ni film.
Okay.
We need absolute direction bia.
But how do you see him as a health minister?
Oye na juma me enye se na ebe ka se we say but so far enime pia wa ya me ni enyo me as a person me na me yesa me nyesa ye no ekoha na ye faka na kwa this is the first time who say minister bi itimi fa pressman guka mu no de wo nam kaso a obi wo ho na ye say bi ewu ye ni aduru ho nurse bi ya bo no ye ni aduru ho tamale ye ni ekoho na akoyi obi adi ni ekoha enye ne saa wo ba bia uti ye say penmuti de mate wo de what na the report no bro. And I'll always say one of the most disciplined, very thoughtful a year. Mina ye juma. What you say what year juma na say? Me say soldier for training. No. Late courage. Major courage.
Sugar.
No committee kura. West wa fa pen paper no church. We are no conclusion what the juma na share once. That is what a leader does. Ye bibia da bi minim da bi enye nsa yemfa gidigidi awo ye yanka kra bia
wo nim dia na wo nim enye ne field na say
o se koshiga na onye doctor, but to me he was one of the best ministers Ghana has.
Health ministers,
yes. Bini komodo obi mpeso aye adwuma da onye doctor, he was powerful minister. So even though Unimi party, but he's a powerful minister. I mean, you want to malin. We need committee out to say yes. Ministers are back. If I Ministry of Health, Dr. Foye Minister or Juan Honorable Bookba Missa, may need benefit idea. May have say yeah, Juma or health system no more from the 80s. No, Bookba Missa and Honorable Richard Anna is where Kakra and go free. If you go free president, inya deputy minister that be a doctor. Inya minister be a doctor that. Throughout the 8 years of MPP, for time the inya go free inya nane for the first time, and Major Koshiga so buy, and NDC for buy and so no. There was no doctor there. One for Doctor Bia. Even Rollins time, I don't think there was any doctor there. And President Kufuor so by 2 times in the last minute Dr. Kuboy a minister. So it be doctor for your nurse when you're health professional, but the only German come.
But do you think Sam Rasu say Yema Ubia wo sa a doctor for nim diano a lead health ministry na?
I believe so. Some countries ASA Oko country be to say Nigeria say any meeting. It will become almost 3. ebi yesa me feel say ofa obi a owo apomuden nimdia eboa seriously eboa pa because oni ni colleagues be din komo and the way I train here as health professionals no and maybe wo a obi ya na yete ho na ye kakra say oh we ni sa de no but se bien pa ko no beti they say they make say me de bebo late kwashiga din de bia na me kumase we say bear 12 feet and no frost dog that be na obenya ho a friend of Anthony I want you to come to Accra. When can you come by? Before then, let me talk to your wife first. No, I give permission because it's late. No, so tomorrow be a one can tempt it. No, I'm a share with time. When himself boss and effort want you were any time. Work on na Ghana Health Service Director General, Kolebu Teaching Hospital CEO. Na me so sabe na tamela afi na Asaase. Ni ye nyina ate ho. Wo ja bo amane a kakra bi no jama ye say to asem no. Ni na to ni hu say no jama obi say this one is your field. Go and do it. That is what ministers are supposed to be doing. You don't need to be a professional per se, but when you're a professional, also utimi hu ni. But when you're a professional no, don't behave as if say you know everything. You fact gidi na ya pomodina adwuma.
Okay. Right, but as quickly may have ferry military hospital. Abayi ye start in breben say na meka say tibia ben ne womuo. Aduru ba bi say ye betimi awie amaya kwaye adwuma ewo mu ana. MPP claim say 98% work done. And this if we say Nsiah. Ebacho afari military hospital what some to say.
Afari what can afari nko anda mka say we say na no wayi afri.
Nti emphasize we anu de
the friend of Eurojet
project. Okay.
In 2008, I think it's in April 2008, I'm for noche. And a Eurojet indexer. A bass obenye sika abba.
But ma yenya butre kakra na sane we breaking it down no. Ye ka Eurojet project dia sane be ya communicators on beko radio so chana no pobo ko betimi akirikire mu ye. The ordinary Ghanaian on the street on so betin komo na se. Ye ka Eurojet project dia.
Eurojet project eye hospitals maako enkono. Baako any military hospital empa ahenum 500 beds. And 2 regional hospitals. Baako ewa Upper West one regional hospital 160 beds. And baako so Ashanti region eno enso ye 250 beds. And baako so call and a 6th district hospital. Baako ne Gais Kwabenya eno ye 100 beds. And ye wo 60 beds baako ewo Nsoko ewo Bono region.
Yeah.
And ye wo Tepa enso ye 60 beds ewo Ashanti region. Konongo Dumasi 60 beds ewo Ashanti region. Chufo Praso 60 beds ewo Central region. Ene Salaga. Tu kan nyina bo ma eye nkono. Enti baako eye Ministry of Defense. Ena enwotwe aka no 2 regional hospitals and 6 district hospitals no eye Ministry of Health. Enti obaaye no a ode ni proposal abaaye no. Cheso ono ohwe ni sika no ode aba. Enti ko fontie ni ye. Enye Ghana government ena chese ebia ode yenia ebia e fang o sika na say ye budgetary allocation ye dey CBS kanasa there be okohwe ni sika buy. I think the Eurojet project no the military hospital no $180 million.
Okay.
And the 2 regional hospitals and the 6 you know in Africa but $339 million. And what they bear in the core Ministry of Health and the Ministry of Defense. Inti esa no a say a foreign loan also called cabinet. The cabinet the cabinet gitum ti Iraq for time no call Iraq for cabinet and no more cabinet gitum and that say also gitum we are no the parliament na parliament amount approval. Inti Rebecca said parliament will look at it and ratify it and then the 2 ministers in the sign will then go to cabinet, to parliament, after cabinet, to go to parliament, no one so to into Yura Koshiga. I would just baby call any Yura, I think, Kandapa, that time, ye primary sentina, Yura Doko 4, also Standibi. Nipa 17 and Sunday no come. In terms of Yura Kandapa, and ye Minister for Defense. To me, no, a day almost Asaase. And no more I remember very well, I think in September or so, no, and parliamentary approval. Tinya parliamentary approval, and I say, I be Ghana government. Ye debt stock, or I say, ye Buskia Kojianubi.
Okay.
And now, Eurojet, only the main contractor of this Canaba, only Minister of Health, any Minister of Finance, a Minister of Defense for a signed contract. I think that was on the 20th of November 2008. Eti Eurojet project no Africa hono e shase o president ko formere so.
Okay.
And now you call election 7 December 2008 NMPP elusu and MPP win here. Enti wo se okoji sa loan yi ba afa parliament abeye you know you see e free bibi say credit supply credit facility ni ade no also with the bank guarantee no ko no so nya bank bi wode beba enti say samre no mo na we beka ya Arab Springs no bae tim say no ko ogi sa ne bank yi no every Arab for no but we nya no call Barclays PLC of London no open so and a Ghana government e di bank guarantee ni say umbe guarantee ni manema ko samre no they know a minister for finance you require for.
Okay.
It will be the first cutting of the sword said the year no agenda 1 trade no. Omuko year no war regional hospital. Enti aferi say eba aferi so. And I say yes and I said the other ones in your bit my hair say but aferi then had a problem. Aferi originally no was supposed to be a was Suffolai opposite Prempeh College. They are sign. Once Asaase no hono ensu pi di abrosa eto aso em se lebre edu anase dumi no fefefe de ma consultant any architectural consultant o ma ye drawings nyama no enye free o into 180 ne de yidi si da no e 10 key project o si wia no de o key amount sa na meka no but o ye drawings nyina na ka sa construction planning ni bibia na ye 180 no ti ye ho ha na ye ti se omu de kotamale ti omu locate na kotamale on ko yi say em say omu ye promise bi say tamale for benya friend say military hospital and Ashanti caucus MPP Ashanti caucus ka say there bi e wo manife e wo yi hanzadim em say no ye na ye fourth republic it's a 2008 say fourth and I say fourth republic fourth say fourth parliament.
Okay.
And obviously there be say parliament a GBB tum. Now person ye bibi for dia. The loan nyame umbusa say that hini fa na monye sika mo de koye tamale die no. Omo so omo de de wo Sofola na wo Ashanti region e wo Kumase.
And omo de koye tamale.
Obviously there be enya ne sa. Ye de Hansard ye hwe mu no a. De bi so parliament o ye wura chairman sam nya no mo. Obusa o meka kire. No obviously there be wontimi mfa nko. Se bia o de sika for de koye a yate ase. E wo se ba Ashanti region. And na omo ye se ne de 37 hona ye hospital wanti ye de koka ho bia it was a mistake omo amo sensa ye no wanye ne ye and 37 I think I understand cross say omo ko clear site wo say between 37 and Tamara o say ayi bi da ho slope bi da ho they have to maybe do some work there and na omo ye na still Ashanti kokoso there bi omo mpere 37 years bi iska foforo dia enye hwe and na omo san den say omo san de ba and na omo ba Sofola Asase no kura sua o say there was this thing there. It eventually, around I think 2013, we say na 3 years ago, abra o makate so bako wada da dam 2010, 3 years ago. And na o mo pene so say, ene afi de ye de kwa Ashanti region, da mo Asase wo henefa. Ene ye wura banito, wo su bio. We say no ye atwango bi eja on na ye one. And also obenya Asase ama wo mu, one wo hene bi wo aferi aka. Na aferi hini turu Asante hini no mu kotwa Asase yantamma o mu se afei mu confirm kosi ho nti now wakoye drawing foforo wo 37 akọ clear site ni bibia e ka bam e na wasan ba now aferi So he's not coming to put that story building me over here about builders who come I think it's about nearly 28 and I say something a dozen quite a be a broside, a be a dentia, they cover a in land no so soon. We should be the big crab barracks. Ain't it why care cost? So what I say, apart from the 180. It 180 million ODC down. It ye buy ya about 2017. Now work out my ho. We records in our Ministry of Defense. They are 40%. You come by
Asat MPP by
thank you
2017. Now Juma NDC for your ferry military hospital.
Yes, because
40%.
Yes, because I don't blame them because we move from one side to another side to another side 4 times. In the Brofia say a checkered history. And we shall say. And they buy and yes, we ever twice Obekaya. In 2022, there was even a MCBB parliamentary a for science defense committee for science and almost 90%. In January 2025, in September 2024, no, almost can we say percentage is about 90 something, 92 or so percent. In January, in 2025, Ubekaya, the first budgeter, NDC for Ridian, he says they will continue and finish a ferry, which is 98% completed. There are records to show that, isn't it? It's here, dear. Near Ohon, you make us any percent, at the commission, so we are never says your commission a ferry come. Now, contact and catches obey, be a friend, sectional commissioning and operationalization. And not just why phase 1 and phase 2. This is UGMC. Phase 1 was commissioned on the 7th of January 2017. Because me kasa asema be siasem so because at the end you say lose election you commission say we are on the 4th of January. Yeah. So I'm giving an example. Governance is continuing. The government and as a president be a or how feel work the 8 years as one as we lose your record. Ada ultimate say be mo onye be mo. The midnight of 6th of January. Tiewura Mahama or commission say mo se me boa maka se me boa or commission phase 1 of UGMC on the 6th of January 2017. We are sure about 10 o'clock. Now how many hours? Now can how many hours?
Maybe 2-3
14 hours.
Yeah.
Now midnight as well. Uncle commission will be a greedy. There be. There's nothing wrong with that. It will be commission be being a bar. No bet for us. So now the nipa ko gum.
Dr. Fachen, so as at 2024 December before MPP elusu elections, you know. Na a very military hospital you drew here.
And the MPP lose election. As a NDC.
MPP lose election 2024.
98%.
98%.
Yes. I'm not saying it. Go and look at their budget statement. It is there.
You fully aware.
And Abakaya on the I think on the is it 14th or so of February 2025. Then Minister for Defense, late Dr. Omani Buama, the Minister of Lands and Mineral Resources, Amakufibwa, and the Minister, Madam for name of us, Minister of Interior, Honorable Mutaka, and the Regional Minister, Young Regional Minister, Honorable John Dr. Amakohine. They went to the site. Oka say, Okohia Ferry, it is well advanced, and he will make sure that the soldiers will go in and work by September 2025. To an obukushia bibi a ohun bia o say bibeba sa claims na ohun na o maso to na firo. And then the statement ma hwe ni nyina o say nyese bia the money last government say last government no any mo asem mo kan ye no kora. He doesn't want any new thing bia beba akwemu abe betwintwa na emu. He wants to commission it. Nyame e fa ne kra ko. Me hwe so ko ho a enka yenka afere asem enne. To be ye bi no be abeto aso no be awie. I will put my hand on my chest and say it's Ashanti region. And this is for one single hospital. Almost share from beginning. Both throughout. Omoba abemu nyina and the third one mum say no. Omo here say omutimi wie. Ebe wie ni nyina be kwai. For mena kumawu any ade nyina ni tepa omo na ehia see sa Eurojet project no. Ebe wie apa yentu self no enti ye ne sa no so be sessional opening enti ye ko ho me de ukọ akiri kakra covid bae no ne ye pem pam ankofo ada so enti ye dwene ho ase ha de na UGMC o se ye bie UGMC ne ga east so abia ne ga east bie November 2019 and so ye Eurojet project ti ye de nkofo ko na nkofo bi kwa boa ye ko ye isolation center ho ka ho ma base no doso ne ye de ho ye covid center Ashanti region ne bini ho the northern part of the country ne bini ho itimi fa helicopter na jo be 12 midnight 1 am near frame na me ne ifo fair say air force for din komo no motu mboaye the helicopter akofa obi ni abane na be abetuga east ne manema all over the country tie ka se enya bi wokumase ye ene ye ho anam ka se aferi sa me ne makohoda aferi baby wo ho a wo mu asede emergency center ne some say reproductive health center also no omo wie me hu se mpakura sisi ho ye ko 2017 no temo ye ba afeforo no ana me ye Ghana health service ye ko se wie ko aferi eti ade na ye nkohwe ho na omo se doctor mo nkohwe ti ye ni honorable niti wonum ka bo mu ene ye ka se okay omo so omo issues ne se omo ni substation ho nti what the X-ray ni bibia be so say ontimi test unless he has a reliable source of light. Yekoye eyima wo mu and not from the office of the president. Tiano obi nkofo bi tete say kwetara office of the president anya hwe. Eye bibi. COVID especially boa me as a person to be a very effective presidential advisor, and I will say here today, Ghana, we are among the one of the 3 countries in the world that yetimi saw COVID anu ya nipa piengu na nipa so anya yare ne pii ye ni bi but etimi immunize obia ayi kurantimi ko thanks to zip line drones ewura ba omia ekohunu ode bae yetimi supply sa vaccines no ekonkurase man kofo wo bi so nti me ka ade me say sembo ho me say me I was one of very effective advisors. And I think I will never shy away from that. Nobody can take that away from me. Na yemi de sinya me mama ho de nam timi yes adwuma no. Na you president, and you vice president mama kwaya me timi yes adwuma no eboa Ghana, eboa MPP aban. Ti obi aka bia me mfi no. Me mentifi. Obi aka bia. Enti the mechanic say enti okaso be session a and we 2 sessions na bra yen. Enti ho na oka say ne ka bi wo ho. And then he's right. I mean, we're moving from site to site. Yeah. It was not the bill by. Now you about 33 point something million. I'm saying you're a mankwama new canine now. And we more trans Ministry of Defense, Ministry of Finance, and then the contractor and the Attorney General Department because the contract no more contract in your so no correct. And your fault. Any move from site to site. So we have incurred some debt. So I think they agreed to $19.3 million, which from the recent year, Ibrahim Kwame by or the facts and figures from the former outfit. Omo tuye sikeni nyina manaka, and of course ani bibeka ho. Omo tuye ni nyina manaka $500,000. By young kwatia, tema konfanochi ba asemba ya. Man for ya then we are ferry, and they say we are ferry. After quite a commission, so we are then the NTM and 98% of crank of phone coming near my name and you see hospital. They do even 50% up a so
50%.
Yes.
So my
no what you can do. So be a what's the OPD, we up the OPD. You can condone the OPD. Now we are Johanna contact in the actually. TV hospital is 98% completed. Structurally. And then equipment, what the baby go or CB one bonded warehouse whatever. Equipment can be a yako fence 1% comoton, Nina, a bear, you boy, my contact and Timmy free or free bonded warehouse called one warehouse. I would be buy a big woman at the S3 Biao. I didn't in the hospital in Timmy. So, Jafon, so Yamin Chadi, my ready, almost more staff for me. She wanted him to do the session and what do we buy? To Mono, Kakaka Chromo to his canina, I'm an Aka 500,000. 2 500,000. That's why late Omanibo Makachi say, or bank and umbrani and trans in your head a year won't say. They also want the amount no money be am fanasem koni in hospital. Tiafe the other nequay claim 1, 7 million, claim 2, 78 million. Just all come 85 million, which is nearly about 50% of whatever the cost of the is. Yeah. In addition to the 19 point something million, like 500. To come much, I say the contractor will, will be going to collect in total for relocation in a delay in to the tune of more than 50% of the cost of the construction.
A black contractor and can agree on.
Thank you. Sometimes for Kasai and can contract and come. Only contractor the first cabaran in the Juma. Clotus the woman, Unya Sama, a arbitration, a Casade, on entrance, the for Casade. So there was a protraction. Sevilla, for example, when we took over, Sevilla was 33% and was told because the contractor, no, any the subcontractor who was top construction, nobody, who issue, court issue, I call arbitration, ruling in Amba. Eti subcontractor say ko on tria certificates in Amba no kon enye Ghana na tria certificates e ma contractor one na sign so on tria ma na on free site one na in free site which na e ma new contractor no call no o call o so manu mura site ho eti ye ne an ye say die nimu na me na mo Ghana Health Service because ehia me ma ye adwuma o Kumasi da ma ye adwuma konfa no chi da minim the pressure o konfa no chi teaching hospital so eti a back Ashanti region health issues me authority on it to me kasa na ma church way to be frank with you Ashanti region apart from Offenso any agogo any be other Catholic hospital war first Pramso any agros me one the government institutions we can't call them hospitals. For example, more example ufiri Accra na wo Kumasi u track on na u babonko mo na wo Odumasi on your right hand side maybe some opposite assembly we say government building ba ko ye ho na ye hospital ye friend municipal hospital uko yi operation okura na wo de bi ba insuo to a da bi ko ho kire wo de patient to hwa ma insuo ni jai nye say insuo be fomu nyina. That is a hospital that we were talking about. When you mentioned through Eurojet, you were a very good hospital that you must say. And no be near Ashanti region. Ofa Accra Haya, Ubenya Police Hospital, Ubenya Lekma, Ubenya first the UGMC, Ubenya Kolebu, Ubenya Rage
37.
But still at 37, Omunya no bed syndrome. Ashanti region because we didn't have beds, we didn't have well-equipped hospitals. No? When I was there, and I said, you see accident center. No? You make sure say we put a policy in place. Say under no circumstance should you take any patient. One you know here no. Bakra de one you know obenye baby yako. Tina you will be say free police hospital. Yes, if I call rage, or call rage. Say penny if I call Kolebu. Say penny if I call UGMC. So what you say? But Kumasi, untimi yes awo. Omo de obi free sremba opompo baji but edru baby na minimum me te NDC bia na okasa say even that time na asem see no obi yare okoye no sebi o say eda ho nya na nkofo twetwero drip obi drip da she obi dia so si wo we don't run a hospital like that and sometimes when I go there and see accident emergency center bi si ma anya hwe manye bibia kra no yura ko formula so hwe ma yesi accident emergency center one of the best in the world helipad e kura 106 base and Konfanochi I know what I'm talking about in the woman I know mkasa no ya omumu ya kakra professionals so I'm sitting here not as a pure politician me a professional me a consultant general surgeon. Me a fellow of Ghana College of Physicians and Surgeons. Me a fellow of West African College of Physicians and Surgeons. Me a fellow of the International College of Physicians and Surgeons. And I'm in charge and I say, I'm the president of the chapter of a. So, you know what we are talking about.
Right.
Me can't wait. Me with a mugo. The American say, a ferry. So far as I'm concerned, if you are the 98%, they can start moving in once they finish it. And I will say here and say it again, say, I don't believe, say, the contractor deserves any more money. $85 million. No. Yes, and Ghana and HTA because I scan a free loan. Loan is a canco.
Okay.
Loan,
contractor didn't deserve
and I'm saying what we hospital. I should say I shall see it to your loan. One of the don't loan debts.
Okay.
And any second a command because say Obieno to Timmy me from film Namenco, a BS country other. TMPS I didn't see BM causing financial loss to anything.
Okay.
Then I'll come to Sevilla. We are near Sevilla. That is the story. So far as some of us are concerned, that's why we set the record straight. Say, you name what we know about it. And since Anna, health policy. So, in the year, will be a Macasana and conformity Macasana. They have the facts. Who can say to the facts that nobody cares about it?
Right. Quickly, you're bringing here Sevilla quickly now, Yanko.
Sevilla, so as I said, and so one of the Eurojet projects. Sevilla delayed. Some cars say buying 33% because of a tussle between the contractor, the subcontractor, the main contractor. I pushing it through, and it started moving very fast. You call you of Sevilla. Sevilla is virtually finished and equipped.
And the
only equipment I didn't see in Sevilla was the CT scan, but the contractor catcher said, "I want a warehouse." Okay. Says it is a radiation material. Don't have to pharmacy. Bibia Esri Bibia and the only Sevilla hospital is in the middle of nowhere. A one settlement did a fool. Into a Ukraine, your friend say electricity, water, and aquine in ho. Yamen Chadi, you buy you who say electricity, per se a commission by 2023. TNA Ministry of Energy. Energy Kasa, some in Napo, and now, I know a for ECG for the contract, and almost train high tension free for years, and I'm for years bow. Ebe one of the most beautiful modern substations opposite the hospital. My I connected light from the substation and terminated it at our hospital. Now, contact and try a lighting system, standby generators, and be the aka and it's a couple, you see if it be RMU, minimum decor. Make catch on the say, Temo Commission, we got to know the problem. Any President Kasa, even though that time, the 4th of January, I just say, finance forms over crucial accounts. Personal money, and a decutria, say, Nika. I'm a supplier, no. Catch them or the cock. We say ECG for no power for ECG Ashanti region. It's in their warehouse since maybe the middle of January 2025. Now then here, so we can light in we are near.
So then about buying and say uncompleted hospitals and now managing operational will be a man for
before I come there, say we are not on say COVID by anything. You take decision say the infectious disease centers, any treatment centers, across the country. 21 of them. Nyamencha de timi completed 13 of them. Be was Zibila, be was Akachi, Yamanemani, Adina. Into Sawia, be 50 best, and crowd also chair all the other ones.
Okay.
And with the same compound. Contract a new year in 2023. Now, almost it at the Eco Commission is we are commissioning in account. To Kabumwa, it's a complete regional hospital. I be working for 300 beds. I work at one infectious disease center. Between the 3 medical students and nurses and Adina. It's to me, it's like a teaching facility. Now they are trying to say, Kaniano nti enkoye. Eti Kaniano, ya Kaniano, debi ame Micheleju say, so yesa RMU ain't taking more than 1 week. Within a matter of 2-3 weeks, also mutimi call eco testing machine. Who commission hospital? You can commission it while it's operating.
Okay.
Or you can commission a hospital and test the machines and operate it. A friend of practical completion, and then the operation will follow. Like they did in UGMC, like they did it in Rage. Nyamencha de na woman with the same compound. Sana se we are no. Etika near wa bemo and say we are commission we and within that month in January, no, people will go in and work. Luckily, almost say in rural Canada, 100,000 people are more Ghana. health workers omu nye adwuma ye onfa ebi mkɔ sɛwi anko ye adwuma ho. It's as simple as that.
So then the paper ban be decided say me mfa nurse phone kom, me mfa doctor phone kom completed, but so me enye adwuma.
Sir, ebia because it has been commissioned and ewura Akufo-Addo ne plug abo ho tie esa na yese ye man yi, but ye mu man sa. The same thing with the two agenda 111 say trade ne oforukro ni nyina beboa. Because agenda 111 site bia e wo Asare emergency center. They say they work on for no be a small type all over the country. So it is a bi obi ye bibi na e fa oba continue ne mani nwie. Oba kai say omo ye campaign no. Dey na ewura Mahama kai. I will complete agenda 111 and you all you the nurses you have direct employment. After they say there be the first oko nursing training school say also about the foul. If you have physical problems, say sikeni ho na oye here, at least start it. In Nsiah, for example, the regional hospital Ashanti region, Chirapatre. If I were them, if they will listen to me, kanipa na wo no, me chembe mienu nam de efa ko na ya pe di pa ye form for bi akoka ho. No one hospital na say they can even start from the infectious disease center. No one move aba. But the main thing they have to do is to do the lighting system. Couple. Ekwan say kwan ko ekwan no omko hwe no moyi kwan no Kofi Job na ye kwan no me kan na me boni din. Ye koye no wa ye gutters ni nyina ye big yibi fairness bridge. Minim say we are for no mo ye didi but hospital no ye regional hospital say we are there wo te okra obetima nante akọ.
Okay.
Na sebi enya hospital bi our country have ya na asphalt. Akofi Job share no ho ba say you dig brunya ni wie na ne nkofo no ba ya o de kotale ni asphalt kwa koguso. Me dan say trade dey say o de kotale asphalt o kan wakoye. Timate say the minister for roads kwa ka say onko no complete. Na afi wonye say we are there me si kwemo. Nti die bi. Nti die meka nyina ne say so bi etie me, asantema etie me, Ghana ma etie me a. Sa pressure ne o say ka kire o say omunya say hofu ani afase kanse e kodo ho no. Ne ma enye adwuma na nhwe nipa.
Okay.
It is so be kwa say doctor na sa hospital e di me hwe malaria. Na am say chip set the malaria.
Doc,